Start recording. All right, YouTube, we're live. Hold on. Oh, that's cold. Oof. I hate when you drink mint mouthwash and you drink cold water. Or like mint gum. Oh boy. I'm pretty sure we have an hourly SMT too, yes. Pretty sure. Off of London session high. Off of this high. NASDAQ took it. Right here, I'll go to the 30-minute. And we can see it. Yeah, this is London session high. NASDAQ took it. ES hasn't. And then on the hourly, we closed with the high. So, and we got an hourly SMT. We're coming in this 15-minute forever. I got, dude, market wants to dump. It's going to dump. I just don't trade market open. It's the only thing. We did break structure on the 5 too, out of the 15-minute gap. Let's see if we just dump. Do we just want to go down 102 points? Maybe. 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 I'm going to mark out these 5-minute highs in case we want to come over up here and sweep these. Do one more sweep on market open. Yep. Okay, we took them out. On ES, we took this high out. There's market open. Let's see if ES wants to come up and take out those London session highs. Slash hourly. Where's that 4-hour at? ES already took out that 4-hour. I hate trading market open, though. See if NASDAQ wants this 5-minute. If it does, I'm going to stay patient. And I'm going to look at this hourly. ES looks like she wants it. I'm gonna move this a little bit over this way. YouTube, it might have fucked it up for you a little bit. Yep. Minimize that. Let's see. All right, no 1-minute SMT formed. I want to see if we want this hourly on ES. If we take that hourly, I need 5-minute confirmation. recording, right? Okay, I'm cool. I want to see this 5-minute candle closure. I'm gonna wait for that. I want to see if we break. See if we respect this 1 minute. La 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 la. I'm gonna mark out this 1 minute. Let's see what we get off of this. Let's see if we respect it or not. Alright, we didn't inverse it. I really want to see this 5-minute candle closure here. Yep, let's see if we get this. Let's see if we get a big push out of here. I'd expect the S to come take out this 5-minute. I really want to see if we break structure on the 5-minute here. Put this right here. NASDAQ's already, ES is above it, way farther up. Let's see. All right, broke structure on the 5-minute. I believe we're coming for this hourly on ES, definitely. I'm going to X out these 5s. I don't care about them anymore. And this 1 minute. I'm going to stay on the 5-minute time frame for now. I need to see at least a break of structure inverse for a value gap on the 5. ES already took out this 4 hour. We didn't take out this 1 hour. This 4 hour was taken out. What do we got? This 4 hour high here is at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. That was here. ES already took out this high. This 4 hour high. I wonder if I could just count that as an hourly high. I might X out London session high because NASDAQ already took those. I'm more focused on this hourly high. And if we're going to take this hourly high, we're going to take London anyway. So I'm going to X this out and keep that hourly. Face down. What up, Z? Ooh, yeah. We didn't inverse it. I need more confirmation. That 5-minute SMT could have just made us come into this 5-minute fair value gap. I'm just gonna shut up. Actually, I'm gonna do my thing. I'm leaning towards shorts right now. But I need confirmation personally. I need to see inverse fair value gap. We already have a 5-minute S&T. If we see an inverse fair value gap, I'm gonna scale down. But I need to see inverse fair value gap or break a structure. I would really like if we could form a 5-minute low here. And then get an inverse break of structure. That'd make me even more comfortable. But let's see if we inverse this candle here. We might start dumping, but again, I'm not just entering off a 5-minute S&T. I need inverse fair value gap. I'd rather miss out. That's just me personally. Though. Follow your system. Trust your trades, not mine. I gotta go to the bathroom. I feel like this is a strong draw too. Asian session, 4-hour. London session. Where's that previous day low though? Here we have New York 4-hour and previous day low. That's oh. And we're respecting this 15-minute after forming an hourly SMT. Now we form a 5-minute SMT. I need to see 5-minute confirmation, no? See what we get. NASDAQ's the leading index too, so I'm paying attention more to NASDAQ, what NASDAQ does. ES took this 5-minute low. Let's keep an eye on that too. Oh my god. Calm down, dude. Calm down. We inversed the 5-minute. I need to see 1-minute confirmation, dude. And we broke structure on the 5-minute, dude. I need to see confirmation. Please give it to us. Please give it to us. Please give it to us. Don't. Don't. Is anybody in this? No. Give us a retrace. It's up to the market here. I'm not going to get FOMO and enter in, but my overall target would be here. She's going to sting. This is going to sting. That's too much for me. I'd have to have my stop here to be comfortable. Oh. Poop. Poop. This could have been good entry like that. This could be break even or something. I need my confirmation. I want it, but I'm gonna wait. I need my confirmation. If it takes it out without me, then it's alright. 8:30, 8:30. Let's see if we form something off of this. Formed a 1 minute SMT. Still too much for me, man. I need you to go a little bit higher for me. Go a little bit higher. Go a little bit higher. I don't want to say that though, in case any of you guys are in a trade. This is the obvious draw. But do we want to form this 5 minute fair value gap and retrace into it first? Or do we just want to come down? What do we want? What do we want? Let's see if we dump on this 5 minute candle. Alright, let's see if we get a retrace. It's on the macro too. If it comes out and takes out these lows without giving me my confirmation on the 1 minute, I'm probably not going to trade. But I didn't take the entry off of the break of structure and risk fair value. I didn't take it. I needed my 5 minute confirmation first and then my 1 minute. I want to see if we can get a retrace in the 5. I want to target this, but I'm going to stay patient. let's see if we want to form an SMT off of this high. I would believe if we're already this high, though, we'd want to come to that 5 minute. I'd believe, but again, don't know everything. Yeah, see, this might be a spot where we want to fucking dump. See if we want to dump here. This is still too much for me, the risk to reward wise. Still too much for me. It'd only be a 1-to-1 off of that entry. Yep, here we go. Damn, bro. ES is coming for it. Alright, ES took London session lows. Damn, dog. Did anybody take that off of the 5 minute? There you go. I didn't take it. I didn't have confirmation on my side. It was there though. It was there. Don't care about this 1 minute anymore. It's interesting. See if we get a bearish candle closure out of here. Still would only be a 50-point trade though. What would the risk be? 38 points. 38 times 2 times 4 maybe? Yes, 304. Do we inverse that or no? We inversed it on ES. Yeah, inversed it on NASDAQ too. See if NASDAQ wants this. Alright, let's see if we form another SMT off of this 4-hour / London session, Asian session low. What's the 15 minute look like? Yeah. this might be a little interesting here. Let's see. Staying patient here. I want to see if we're either going to come back down and take these lows on NASDAQ, continue the downtrend, or because we're going to form a 5-minute S&T. We did form a 5-minute S&T. Sorry. Off London session, Asian session lows. But I want to see if that's just going to retrace us into these 5 minutes above. Risk to reward sucks though. Terrible. Touched equilibrium too. Staying patient here. I want to see if we're gonna come back down, and take out those lows on Nasdaq. If not, then I'm probably not gonna trade. I just want to see what ES would target though. These draws are very far. It's a stretch. But again, market do whatever the fuck it wants. Let's see if we form a new 5-minute high here. I have the chat cut right now, guys. I just don't want to see what everybody's saying so I can keep my head on straight. This is definitely going to be interesting here. In my opinion, higher time frame holds higher power. If we're from an S&T off a 4-hour low, we just took out an hourly low, I feel like we have the potential to reverse back up. It's just me, though. Four-hour time frame, we're still bullish. We never broke structure to the downside. Hourly, we broke structure to the downside. 5-minute S&T. Can we get a 5-minute inverse on this? Come on, do it. Do it. Do it. Formed a 15-minute bearish fair value gap on ES, but not on NASDAQ. Got all this low resistance too, which is scary. Come on, give me something, baby. Give me something. Give me something. Come on, give me something. Don't do without me. Don't do without me. Give me something. Give me something. This higher time frame price action looks like shit. I'm just going to keep sitting on my hands right now. If we end up coming up and taking out these highs, I'm definitely done for the day. But I didn't enter that first trade because I don't usually enter off a 5-minute break of structure. I got my 5-minute confirmation, but I never got my 1-minute confirmation. And that's just based how off I trade, man. Following my rules and my system. Calm down, shorty. Come on. Calm down, mate. Ay, ay, ay. Papito. You serious, mate? Still not entering off of this. I need my confirmation still. There's literally no confirmation there for me. Will be nice though if we do break structure on both indexes to the upside on the 5. It will be nice. Wow, 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 wee, wow. I gotta see my confirmation to enter a trade, man. I gotta see it. I want to see this fight. Oh my god. Yeah, that's why we wait. That's why we wait for our confirmation. Woohoo! Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Holy shit. Look at that. Didn't break on the 5 either. Didn't break structure on the 5 either. Alright, here we go. Are you joking? You joking? You joking? It's not even worth entering. Gonna form an S&T off this 1 minute low. could be entry. Stop below this low, 42-point stop to make a 68-point. $250 per account to make 68. 68 times 2 times 3, 408. This really stinks. This really stinks, man. Let's see if she wants to trap people or not. Just don't like how we didn't break on the 5, dude. I'm going to go in 1 as of now. Put it below this low. Risk the rewards a 1-to-1 though, which stinks. This is a tricky one because ES is in this 15-minute. This is really tricky. I'm only going to go in 1 micro on this one, because I want to see if we're going to end up reversing lower. I'm going to keep my stop under this low where the S&T was. Full TP would be at this 4-hour high, 2,550. 2,550. 49 seconds till this candle closes. Let's see if we break on the 5-minute time frame. See if we break on the 5. Alright, we broke structure on the 5. Let's see if we start pumping up here. I'm only risking $100 per account right now, so I just don't like how ES is in a 15-minute gap. That's the one thing that's making me hesitate on this. It's the only thing. I want to see if we come down and stop me out, and then I want to see if I want to switch my bias to the downside, but we'll see. See if we could break on the 1 minute again. This is definitely an annoying trade again. Does she want to go up or does she want to go down? Two options. Only two options. It's not going to be a big trade regardless, which sucks, but... So I got 10 minutes till this candle closes on the 15-minute time frame on ES. And we still didn't even take out these draws down here on NASDAQ. We did form a 15-minute S&T off of it. Looks like we're going to form an hourly, but... Where's a 1 to 2 based off of this? Yeah, it's hard. 92, dude. Broke structure on the 5-minute on ES. Do we want to respect this 15-minute gap or what? These are some annoying trades. I'm only in 1 micro, so 241 is my stop. And my entry's at 90. So what is that? 48 points. $96 per account. Just shitty entries lately. Just shitty entries. Shitty entries lately. Where's this? 10:30. 30. Did we inverse this gap? Yeah, we did. Running by. Hey, I'm not liking this trade either today, boys. Just because of this fucking 15-minute fair value gap. That's it. That's it. Alright, let's see if we dump here off equilibrium. I could feel this one. It's gonna stop us out. That's my prediction. Here she comes. We're just respecting this 15-minute over here on ES. How much time do we got to the 11 a.m. macro? 20 minutes? Five-minute inverse fair value gap, 5-minute break of structure to the upside. We didn't come into this 5-minute, but we did on ES. We didn't have one, but we formed a 1-minute S&T to the upside, and that was my entry. Did we break back down yet, or what? It's complete shit. Complete shit. How does this 15-minute candle want to close over here on ES? Do you want to inverse this? If you do, we're looking good. If you don't, we're not looking good. What you want to do, mate? Got 3 minutes. Can you form a 1 minute fair value gap for us? Respect it? Or is that too much to ask for? Can you form it? Form a 1 minute gap. Form it. Form it. I really want my take profit here, but it's a 1 to 2 RR. It's where I want it at 50. There are 2 minutes left. See if the same thing happens yesterday. If we end up inversing and breaking to the downside. And then I'm going to get fucking steamered if I cut it from the know-it-alls. Same shit's going to be like yesterday. Look, we formed a 5-minute high. We formed a 5-minute high. Let's see if we form an SMT off of it. Oh, we're respecting you, though. Oh, we're respecting you like dirty. Ooh, I like that reaction, though. But did we form a 1-minute SMT off of that 5-minute high? Yes, we did. Let's see. How's the 15-minute looking? How much time we got over here, Larry? We've got 32 seconds. Let's see if we inverse this. Let's see if we inverse this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We didn't inverse it. All right, listen, jelly beans. If we inverse this gap and break structure to the downside, I'm going to cut it. Understood? We're going to say it here again. Not based off of emotion, just logic. Okay? Because we're sweeping a 5-minute high and we're respecting a 15-minute fair value gap. All right, ladies? I'm going to hold it until that confirmation shows me. 1 minute SMT. If we get a 1 minute inverse fair value gap, I'm out of this John. Peace out. But if we come up and take this high on NASDAQ, on ES, I'll be willing to hold it. But we're still respecting this 15-minute gap over here on ES. I'm going to move my stop to 51. If we break structure and inverse this gap, I'm outie. We didn't break structure yet. We didn't break structure yet. I believe this is going to go down. If we break structure. I'm ready to click that button. I'm getting ready to click that button. I'm getting ready to click that button. I'm going to move my stop below this low. 63. See if ES takes it. There we go. There we go. We took it on ES. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it as of now. Gonna hold it as of now. I got mine set at 50 right here at this 4 hour. I'll start trailing once we hit to the hourly. This price action sucks. Duty dog water. What am I currently risking? 25 points. That's $50 per account currently. I'm fine with that. Yay. Is anybody else in this or just me? You also took aim. Yeah, I'm in light position, guys. I'm in 1 micro. This isn't a trade I want to take with full size. Yep, manage it right. Because, again, this price action is dog water, guys. I'm going to move to break even here. I'm going to hold it past this hourly. If we get there. got 8 minutes left till we inverse this fucking 15-minute though. But all the people on social media, like yesterday, saying I don't hold my trades and I'm not disciplined. Yesterday I followed my system. Today we're doing the same exact thing, but if I got confirmation to cut it, I would have cut it. But we're letting it run today, right? Not based off emotion, but based off of confirmation. Yesterday we swept a 5-minute high like this and we formed an S&T. And then we broke structure, then we inversed, and then I cut it. Understood-o? Understandy? The trade to take today were these shorts, but I wish I could have gotten in, but I didn't. I didn't get confirmation, guys. And you know how I am with waiting for my confirmation. You know how I am. But I'm just going to have my TP at this 4-hour high, and if it hits, it hits. For 61 points, so it's 61 times 2. For 122 per account, I mean, it's better than nothing. Where's this 5-minute high on ES? That up here? 935? Yeah, it is. Wow. Here we go. Woo! Back down. Dookie. Dookie price action. Did we sweep this low on ES? Oh my god, we did. 1050? 1050? Can we form a 1-minute S&T? Do we have equal highs too? On ES? Oh my god, we do. Right? Oh yeah, we do. I'm holding. I'm holding. If we form a 1-minute S&T, we're definitely coming to take those equal highs out. Like 95% sure. Oh. We didn't form it. We have it below the most recent 5-minute low. So again, if this is a protected low, then we should be okay. But I really want to see how much time we have left on this. We have 5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Lordy. Wow, you suck. Wow, you stink. Wow, you stink. Wow, you stink. I can't be loving me. See if we want to stop people out at break even, continue higher. Can we do some shit like yesterday and you feel good about this one wing while unit too? Get the goats out, Wing Wong. Get the goats out. We have equal highs up here. We gotta come take those out, I think. Why do we gotta move like poopy as soon as we get in a trade? Why can't we just move like this? You know what I'm saying? I'm really just accepting the risk on this trade. If I have it at 24464 my stop, 24464. I have it at 24464. If we get stopped out, that's $50 per account. I really don't care about that. Let's keep it at like 24635. 24635 I'll have it at. 246,350. That's what I'm going to keep it at, and I'm going to accept that. I'm going to accept it. Really got to go pee. Guys, 11 a.m. 11 a.m. opens up in 3 minutes. Ready? Ready? 11 a.m. opens up in 3 minutes. It's going to determine our fate. It's either going to stop us out or it's going to go up. Watch. Ready? 11 a.m. is going to determine our fate. It's either going to go up or stop us out. Let's see if we're right. Let's see if the 11 a.m. macro either skyrockets up or not. 11 a.m. macro. Ready? Let's see. Let's see what happens here. 11 a.m. macro. It's either going to come up and take out this draw on liquidity or not. Or it's going to do nothing. Let's see. Come on, 11 a.m. macro. We want to go up. We want to go up. Got 2 minutes. Minute and 30 seconds. I gotta pee really bad. From my head. Oh, yeah. 11 a.m. macro. It ends in a minute. Are we going to inverse this 15-minute fair value gap? And are we going to skyrocket? Wing Wong? What do we think? Did you sacrifice goats? How many heads did you chop? How many heads did you chop? We got 44 seconds. We'll see if we're going to inverse this gap or if we're going to get stopped out. Uh-oh. 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 Manipulation first? Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. 20 seconds? Oh, come on. Really? Really? Can we form a 1 minute SMT off of this 1043 low? 1043, 1043, 1043, 1043. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? 2 seconds. 11 a.m. macro open. Let's see if we get dicked. New traders entering the market. New traders entering the market. Do they want to go short or do they want to go long? Do they want to go short or do they want to go long? It looks like they want to go short. 11 a.m. macro open. We inversed the 15-minute, didn't we? We did. Did we break structure back to the downside? We did. All right, we're getting stopped out on this one, ladies. Yep. Yep. Unless some shit can happen like yesterday. Where's the kid that was in here before that was saying you shouldn't have cut the trade the other day? Because look, let's see if this. I'm gonna not talk shit yet, but this is a perfect example of yesterday. This is a perfect example of yesterday. If we get stopped out, how just it's probability, and we do it based off of data. But let's see. Let's see if we get saved by the bell here. Yeah, we're getting stopped out on this one, looks like. Do some crazy shit. Do some crazy shit. Do some crazy shit like yesterday. No? Next candle? W stop loss, L stop loss, W stop loss, L stop loss. Which one you want? Which one you want? Stop equal highs open above too. Oof, that's not a good candle. All right, GG's ladies. GG's ladies. Yeah, GG's ladies. Yeah. If we get saved here, it'll be a miracle. But I'm gonna just fucking accept the loss like yesterday. Oh, I gotta pee. We're gonna accept the loss if it happens. If it doesn't, that'd be very cool. If it does, then it's alright. Oh, I gotta pee really bad. Yahoo ain't dead. Israel said so. So is that good for the market or bad? Okay. When did they just tweet that? Just now? Oh, I gotta pee. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. They just tweet that? Wait, him being alive is good. So he's dead or alive? Which one is he? Isn't that sad that we're just talking like that? It's normal. I don't know. Whatever. I gotta pee. He's done? So he's dead. Oh, I gotta pee. Is this gonna take us out of our misery or what? Oh, I gotta pee so bad. They're trying to fight it. We're trying to buy up, but okay, here we go. Say goodbye, troops. This one's gotta be it, right? No? Wow, I gotta pee really bad, dude. Alright. This one's gotta be it. This candle. Holy shit. Alright, there we go. Alright, people. Where's that shit talker? Is he in the Discord or no? No. Okay, there's your example of when you cut trades sometimes. Let's see if we get stopped out there. But guys, I'm done for the day. I lost $56 per account. Well, yeah, he's already left a couple times because it doesn't see winning right away. That's what happens. But that's why I keep this shit private. But we ended up taking a loss today. We let the trade fully run. So again, we let it do its thing. But today's literally another example of why sometimes you cut trades to avoid a bigger loss. But again, we moved our stop loss up, and I accepted today's loss. Our original stop loss was down here, right? So I moved it up to here. But that's pretty much it. I'll send it in the Discord. I lost $56 per account, which sucks is the accounts where I was supposed to get were close to payouts on. Now I got to switch because I took 2 losses and I got to follow my rules. So we're going to be on to the next group the next couple days, all right? I always go with my strategy, G. I've been doing this shit for so long. People always got something to say. When you predict the right thing to happen, they don't say anything. But when the thing happens that they predict, they say it's just, again, it's trading. It's all probability based at the end of the day. Everybody thinks they're right and wrong. It's annoying. It's annoying. Trust who you are. Trust the trades you take, everything like that. Whether you hold, cut them, break even, trade how you trade how you back tested, and just keep trying your best to just know that you make the right decisions and stuff like that. You know. But I'm about to piss my pants. I gotta go pee. I'm gonna cut this. I'll get this video posted up YouTube. $56 per account on a day minus. Okay, so here I'll put it right here for freaking YouTube so they could see too before I show the trades out. Bang, boom. Peace out. Peace out. That's it for me.